Hey guys, welcome to another new episode from the Technicality, and I'm Saurav Gupta. So we are starting a new series. This series is going to be Epic Tuesday, where every Tuesday we are going to post a new video regarding the top 5 latest happenings in the tech world. So I will be letting you know about the 5 top tech interesting news, and I hope you'll be liking it. So let's get started with today's episode. So the first one we have is from Mitsubishi Electric Corporation. So they have kindly built the 1230 km per minute elevator. That is the fastest elevator till date. Yes, this elevator travels 1.2 kilometers per minute. And so once it is installed in the 632 meter Shanghai Tower in China, you will be able to come down to the bottom floor from the 119th floor in only about 53 seconds. And this is probably the fastest elevator that there is till date. Next we have a 3D printed glass that can help the blind people read. Now when we talk about innovation and technology, this is actually the kind of thing that should be innovated, and this helps the disabled do and see things that was not previously possible. So this glasses, named as Parsi, from a non-profit organization in Poland, that was developed, which uses a camera and an inbuilt dedicated mobile application. It can recognize faces, colors and letters and then translate into sound with the help of that dedicated mobile application. This is also compatible with the micro USB port for charging. For the third one, we have an artificial intelligence that was hired as a lawyer by a US-based law firm, Baker Hostetler. And what it does, it runs off the Watson IBM computer that previously came on the news for its revolutionary win on the world's best Jeopardy player on the game of Jeopardy. Now, some of you might know that the game Jeopardy is a tough one because you have to give the answers in form of questions, and that reason when Watson won it, it was a revolutionary thing. So when Watson is now capable of doing all these things, an artificial intelligence named Ross is working off it, which was hired by the US law firm. Now the AI Ross is capable of processing natural language. So when it is asked a law-related question, it reads through the law and gives a proper evidence-based answer. It also monitors the law for certain changes and how that can affect the result of this trial. So the Technicality right now is also giving out job recommendations. If you are looking out for a job, Google is paying $20 per hour to test its autonomous cars. And if you're in the states of Arizona, be happy that I've given the news ahead of time. So Google is yet to come in Arizona and they are planning to expand. So if you are there, you can test those Google cars and get $20 per hour. The drivers are supposed to be in a contract for 12 to 24 months and are supposed to drive those cars for 6 to 8 hours per day. Researchers from German-based Fraunhofer Institute has done a revolutionary test with solid-state film. They have established a record-breaking data transfer rate of 6 GBs per second over a span of 36.7 kilometers, and it has broken the previous record by a factor of 10. The team has used ultra-efficient transmitters and receivers and low-noise amplifiers, which enhance the performance furthermore. So hey guys, this was the first episode of the Epic Tech Tuesday. If you like this video, like it. If you dislike it, put a dislike on the below. And for more videos like this, stay tuned by clicking on the subscribe button, and let me know your feelings, suggestions or anything that you might have for me to know in the comments below.